So hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, your go-to-go channel for the list of opportunities, career tips, and all everything you should know for job updates. So today's job is all about the trusted company, which is the Infineon, and they are basically hiring for the data analyst for digital marketing. So this is an incredible opportunity for experienced data professionals or the freshers with 1 to 2 years of experience. So they are basically hiring for the data analyst role in digital marketing at their Bangalore BTP locations. So this isn't just a typical analyst role. It's about working with at the intersection of AI, data, and digital innovations at a global semiconductor leader. So let's understand a little bit about the company. But before diving into the company details, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for the onwards because we bring three important hikes daily on this particular YouTube channel. And also turn on the bell icon so you keep getting notifications once we upload a new video. So now let's dive into the job details. So let's understand a little bit about the quick word about the company. So Infineon Technologies is a world leader in semiconductor solutions enabling efficient energy, smart mobility, and secure IoT devices basically. And they operate globally and have a strong reputation of innovations, diversity, and sustainability. So if you are passionate about data, digitalizations, and making a real world impact, then Infineon is a great plus to be. So let's understand a little bit about the role, which is of a data analyst into digital marketing specialist thing. So this Infineon is hiring for data analyst in their power and sensor system division to support their digital marketing initiatives. So this is a permanent full-time positions with a preferred start date of in June or July 2025. So you'll be a part of a brand new team focused on building AI powered solutions and digital processes that directly impact marketing strategy and customer experience. And guess what? Since the team is just starting out, so you'll have the unique opportunity to mentor junior talent, shape team operations, and drive innovations from the ground level. So let's understand key responsibilities for this role. Yes. So as you can see in this role, what and all you have to do. So as a data analyst at Infineon, you will be involved into data analysis and visualizations like building and maintaining dashboards using tools like Power BI, Tableau, statistical modeling and predictive analysis like use of Python, statistical methods, machine learning to forecast trends and design experiments that drive marketing efficiency. Along with that, will also be involved into data engineering support, like working closely with engineers to optimize the data pipeline and ensure clean, accessible, and reusable data for analysis. Along with that, will also be involved into project ownership. You will own the digital marketing use cases end to end from requirement gathering to solution delivery, while ensuring high quality and budget control. Plus you will be also involved into stakeholder collaborations, like you will be bridging the gap between the business and the tech, also gathering requirements, communicating project updates, aligning with global teams. Not just that, you will also be into customer centric innovations. For example, you will be continuously suggesting and implementing enhancements that improve customer satisfaction and bring value to the business. So these are some of the responsibilities that you have to perform once you join Infineon as data analyst. So required skill sets and experience they have given that you need to have, okay, yes, you need to have a degree in computer science, information science, or related field, plus 3 years experience into the business or data analysis, and strong grip of Python, SQL, and excellent skills in Power BI as well. Tableau also. I mean, either of them is fine. If you know Tableau or Power BI, either of them is fine. Plus, familiarity with digital or marketing or sales analytics is a big plus. So, if you have a basic understanding of digital marketing, you will be it will be added advantage. And basic understanding of for the data orchestration tools like Apache Airflow or Mega AI, which are mostly used in data engineering. So, if you have these skills, again, you will be given preferences. Experience with project management tools like Jira, Confluence, and working with agile environment is preferred. Plus, you also must have the strong communication skills to work with global stakeholders, and strong and fluency in English is of course must. German, if you know the German language, it will be a plus because the team is going to be a client is going to be from Germany. And yes, willingness to travel occasionally to Germany or Austria for collaborations. So these are some of the required qualifications and the skill sets for this particular role. So now let's jump to the perks and benefits of joining this Infineon technology. So you'll be getting a global career, development through mentoring, coaching, with us 18,000 plus, LinkedIn courses, and also you'll join a team of 50,000 plus employees, global employees, along with global employees as well. Plus, you will be getting health and wellness being initiatives, like wellness programs, options for remote work as well, along with transparent performance-based rewards, and a culture that embraces diversity, inclusion, and innovations. These are the benefits you will get once you join Infineon Technologies as data analytics. So how you can apply? Just head to the link in descriptions. We have mentioned direct link. Or if you want to apply directly, just mail to the. We'll send you a mail. You can just directly share your resume to the concerned mail if you are eligible for this particular role. Sravins.sasidhar@infinian.com. Or yeah, this was all about this wonderful opportunity. Before you go, don't forget to like this video if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to our channel for the notes for daily job updates, because we bring three important hiring daily on this particular YouTube channel. And also turn the bell icon so you keep getting notification once we upload our new video. So this was all about this important hiring. I wish you all the best. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.